Yes, sir. Let's get it. Track walk, baby. This doesn't look this steep when you're driving.
The gator.
There's the gator. It's bigger up close. Alright, we are on Watkins Glen. Track walk time.
Nascar Cup Series.
There's a gator up close.
Enrique is absolutely correct. Look at all the brake spots. So for those of you who are going to brake before the 4 or just past the start-finish line, look how much just bend your eyes around the next turn. Look how much straightaway we have there. Done correctly. Don't be looking for that green going all the way down there. 4 wide.
We're going a lot slower. This is steep. That's really steep. You're flat out all the way from back there through here. Top speed. In the middle of Watkins Glen here at the S's. All the cars. Yes, sir. Track walk.
Come over that one, and as you're coming up here, if you're going to the cone, you're actually looking out this way, over here.
Do a full engine flush on it. Well, if it's still in limp mode after we clear everything, then I'd be. Oh yeah, then
That's when they bust up.
then it's trade-in time for Marquette. What? Why? Stay away from Marquette.
Alright, we're at the historic bus stop. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Track walk, baby.
Line. Then you can go out to the straight, and again, he says run right over the whole rumble.
Alright, we're at the NASCAR shortcut. Down into the boot. Track walk. Let's get it. Alright, now we're coming on to the main straight track walk.
A couple times getting below this line in the rain, a little tougher. I started tapping it and it was a little bit easier.
Alright, there you have it, 1 lap. Alright, day 1 is up. Off to day 2 NASCAR track tomorrow. Fiat's in the NASCAR garage for the night. Everyone's going home. I'll see you all tomorrow.